I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. If you tuned in last Thursday, you know that it's the start of the NFL football season, and we're all about something quick, easy, and in a pot. I don't know how much y'all know about my dad, but he's 92 years old and he's a trip. The other day he gave me a partially used bag of pinto beans containing a partially used flavor packet and told me he wanted me to make him some ham beans. Who am I to say no? I've never had really good luck cooking dried beans on the stove. You really have to stay on top of the water level, and it's just too easy to get distracted and burn them. So today we're going to make these ham beans in the crock pot. Well, here's what's left of our bag of pinto beans. To make things simple, let's just do the recipe as if we had a full bag. Sometimes people soak their beans before they cook them in order to shorten the cooking time. We're not going to do that this time, but we are going to dump them into some water and clean them off really well. After we've done that, we'll pour the beans into a strainer. I don't have anything against the soaking method, but we're just not going to do that today. So we want to sift through these beans, look for any little pebbles or rocks or any beans that just seem kind of deformed. I picked out a few beans that I'm going to set aside. We'll dump what's left into our crock pot. Now we're going to add about 32 ounces of chicken broth. This is going to give our beans a great flavor. Once we've done that, we'll go back and fill our carton about halfway full with water, so about 16 ounces of water. I think we're going to go ahead and let this flavor packet go. Instead, we're going to use some of our Orrington Farms broth base and seasoning, the ham flavored. We'll put in a big heaping tablespoon of that. Next, I'm going to add a package of diced ham. This is an 8-ounce package, and we'll just toss the whole thing in there. I'm going to add 1 small chopped onion. I'm going to add some black pepper. And then I'm going to go in with my big slotted ladle and make sure that all those little pieces of diced ham are broken up. They tend to clump together when you put them in, so you want to make sure that you go in and break everything up and make sure everything is stirred well. Once we've done that, we're going to put the lid on. I'm going to set my crock pot to high and we're going to walk away. If you're enjoying today's video, please go down and tap that like button for me. It really is the best way to help me grow my channel. These beans go 5 hours on high, or if you're cooking them on low, about 7 or 8 hours. Surprise, surprise, I like mine pretty basic, but if you want to jazz them up, now's the time to add a can of diced tomatoes, some hot sauce, some lemon juice, some garlic, or some red pepper flakes. Anything you want. After they finish cooking, the longer they sit, the thicker they get, and that's the way my dad likes them. These beans smell fantastic and they have a wonderful consistency. Let's give them a try. Packed full of flavor, hearty and delicious. These ham beans are just what you need on a chilly fall or winter day. I hope you're having a great start to the football season, and I hope you're going to enjoy these ham beans. I'll be back next week. Until then, just keep jamming.